Hi, I'm Johnny Creer from Swanston IT, and welcome to another 2-minute cracker. Today we're going to have a look at the subtotal function, which is an excellent function used for managing lists in Excel. So first of all, let's go and have a look at our list. From here you can see that we have a long list of information that's made up of text, and we have a sales column. And what I'd like to try and achieve is I'd like to try and group my wholesalers together and create a subtotal for each wholesaler, so I can then see which wholesaler has sold the most product for me. Excel has a great function that can do this in just a few seconds, but there are first of all one or two steps that you have to follow. The first thing we need to do is we need to sort our list by the item that I want to subtotal by, in this case wholesaler. So make sure that you choose the data menu, click on the word sort, and you can see here in this dialog box that I can choose the item that I'm going to sort by, which is wholesaler in this case. Leave the sort on as values, and order A to Z is absolutely fine. Click OK. And we can now see that all of my wholesalers have been sorted or grouped together. The next item that I need to choose is again in the data menu, and it's this subtotal function which is on the right hand side. So click on that dialog box. You can see in the background that my data area is highlighted automatically. There are three little items that I've got to choose here. At each change in, don't choose product because we didn't sort by that column, but in this case click in the drop down list and choose wholesaler. We can then decide which function we're going to use. Sum is the default, but if I click in the drop down list there are other things that I can choose, but we're going to leave it at sum. Sales is ticked, but that's only ticked not because it contains values, but simply because it's the last column. But in this case that happens to coincide with what we want to where we want to add our subtotal to, so that is fine. Leave replace current subtotals as ticked, and we do want to see a summary below the data. All I need to do now is click OK, and as if by magic you can see that Excel has entered a line after the grouping of each wholesaler, and you can see here that I have a great series of my data all grouped, so I've got a subtotal in my block of data plus a grand total. Hopefully you found that very useful. There is a part 2 to this, so if you would like to find that, please feel free. If you'd like any more information on the courses that we offer, please have a look at swanstonit.co.uk. Many thanks. Bye bye.